Close your eyes. Sit quietly. Relax. For a few moments, simply place your attention on your inhalation and exhalation. Feel yourself relaxing deeper now. Scan your body for any areas of tension and breathe deeply into any place that may be tense. As you experience your body, hold the thought that you are a valuable human being, worthy of love and open to kindness. You are a light in this world, and you deserve affection and love. Support yourself, knowing your value, by honoring your needs and treating yourself respectfully. Allow yourself to love your body. Accept your emotions and pay attention to your thoughts in the present moment. You do not need to be perfect in order to accept yourself, and there is nothing you need to do or achieve to have self-respect. You are worthy because you exist. Simply honor yourself and feel this goodness in your life. Imagine now how your life would be if you accepted yourself and every moment of your life as the absolute perfection that it is. Imagine if you stopped wishing any moment were different than it is right now. If you wished you were in a relationship or a different relationship, wished you had more money, success, or fame, wished your health were better, wished you were enlightened, wished anything were different from the way it is right now. What would happen if instead you simply accepted the great gift of this moment exactly as it is? Just imagine this for a moment, and you will begin to see that the result of doing this will bring you great happiness, satisfaction, and fulfillment, because it will be in alignment with truth and with reality. The only difference between your happiness and your suffering is not the way things are in the moment, but rather your response to this moment. It's your acceptance or rejection of this moment and what is arising in this moment. Now, imagine how different and happier your life would be if you did this one simple thing. Simply accept what is happening in each moment exactly as it is, without wishing it would change in any way. Each moment cannot be other than what it is. Wishing it were different does absolutely nothing but make you suffer. Embrace reality. It's really quite wonderful, no matter what it is or how it appears to be.